Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the mid-month of May. Let's see what the week has for you or for the coming days. So I've stopped doing time bound tarot readings because time is fluid and it might not resonate with everybody. So that's why I just will have started doing it regularly without any time foundation. So take what resonates with you. Alright. So Aries, you're closed off, you're not decisive about something, but there is a sense of balance. There is very fast, good changes coming. I think you will be spoiled for choices. That's why maybe you will not be able to decide, or you have problem deciding as of now. Let me clarify the Two of Swords for you. Yes, so you're closed off. I think you're resisting change, but I think the change is for good. The changes that are incoming are actually for your good, for your benefit. So I think you should stop resisting and let the change happen, because Magician definitely brings in good energies. Temperance is all about balance, all about give and take, equal give and take. But your energy is closed off. Your energy is pushing back any change or anything that is coming towards you for some reason. So I think your perspective needs to change. You need to look at things from a different perspective. That's why the Hangman and the Wheel of Fortune. So Wheel of Fortune will happen. Change is bound to happen. So you are suggested, or you are required to make those changes. A perspective change. Let's see what the major arcana cards have. Justice, Star, Wish Fulfillment, and the Fool. So again, very fast incoming changes. Something which is bound to happen will happen, and there is a wish fulfillment. There is whatever changes that are happening or will take place are something that you have wished for or you have wanted for quite some time. That is what it says. Let's see how you can handle this situation. So now it just says that welfare work, austerity, and desireless. So you need to, again, like I said, you need to change your perspective. Think about everybody else rather than just your own self. Because changes that are coming, you have wanted at some point of time, and now they are there. So you have to see how will it benefit everybody around you, not just you. So that's the message that I'm getting for you. Let me take some love messages for those looking for love. You might not know now, but you will. Like I said, you're closed off because you don't know how things will be. Love is never in vain. For those who think, let me show you correctly. For those who think, I'm just loving and not getting anything, so just don't worry. And no two flowers are the same, yet all are beautiful in their own way. So if, like I said, changes are happening, new people are coming, people you might you're better than your expectations, or something that some people must be a certain type which you not expected, or which you never thought that they would be like that, and you might not know how good they will be in future because you're comparing them with the past person or a past situation. So beware of that. Think about everybody else. Think about goodness as a whole, not one or two small things that can be ignored. This is very fast, good changes coming in the coming days for you, and mid-month going into the end looks very good for you, Aries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon.